Oh, damn, I forgot to hit record. Anyway, let's carry on. Nice and muddy today. So let's see. Get some more mud patches. Sure we'll find plenty more. Through the woods we go. Let's go. Quick push up the area. First climb. Up over this little bridge. And the next climb. Phew. Let's climb up to the gate. Okay, that's what awaits us. Elevation gain till now. Let's just wait for it to refresh. Okay, it says 28 meters. So let's see what it is when we get to the top of the hill. I'm not going to bore you with this whole long uphill. So I'll resume shortly.